Let's go through a problem together. So again, it's does McDonald's serve burgers? Divide, multiply, subtract, bring down. So I go with my first number, 8 divided by 2 is 4. Or sometimes you might want to say, how many times does 2 go into 8? Next is to multiply. 4 times 2 is 8. My next one is subtract. I get 0. And my last step is to bring down, and I bring down the 3. And then I repeat the step, but now I just focus down here. 2 goes into 3 one time, or again, 3 divided by 2. 1 times 2 is 2. Now I'm on my subtraction step. I get 1, and then I bring down my 7. And I repeat it again, focusing down here. 2 goes into 17 8 times, and I'm putting it above the 7 because that's where, okay, the number that I'm dealing with. 8 times 2 is 16, and now I subtract. 17 minus 16 is 1, and I bring down the 4. 2 goes into 14, 7, and because I'm dealing with my 4, I put the 7 up here, and I multiply, and I subtract, and I get 0, and I am nice and happy. Let's take a look at this, 4,375 divided by 5. So I'm looking at this, 5 into 4, or 4 divided by 5. I can't do that. We want whole numbers. So I'm going to then put these numbers together and call it 43. Some people like to put a little x in there because we're not going to put a number now above that 4. 43 divided by 5, or 5 into 43, goes 8 times, and I'm putting that above my 3. 8 times 5 is 40, so that's my multiplication. Now I go on to my subtraction. I get 3, and now I bring down my 7. It's 37 divided by 5. Okay, or my 5 goes into 37. My closest number would be times 7. So I put that over the 7. 7 times 5 is 35. I subtract. Okay, and I get 2. Then I bring down my 5. 5 goes into 25 5 times. That goes above my bring down number. 5 times 25 is 25. And I subtract and I get 0, and I know I am done with that problem.